Hi, this is King of Review. In this problem, we're asked to find matrix X. We're given this condition here, A plus X equals B, and we're given A as this matrix and B as this matrix here. So what is a matrix? A matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers in rows and columns. So let's look at this matrix here in letter A. This has 2 columns, and it has 2 rows. Now, when you name a matrix, you name it as row by column. So this particular matrix here in letter A, this is a 2 by 2 because there are 2 rows and 2 columns. 2 by 2 is the name of this matrix, and it's also the dimensions for the matrix. Each number in the matrix is called an entry. So each of these are different entries. This particular matrix has 4 entries. So let's look at our problem here. We have A plus X equals B, and we're trying to solve for X. We want to know what matrix X is. So let's rearrange this equation so that we're solving for X. We're getting X by itself on one side. So I'm going to subtract A on both sides, and I'm left with X equals B minus A. Now we know what B is. B is this matrix here. So we have 1 and -4 in the first row, and 2 and 3 in the second row. And we're subtracting matrix A, which is this matrix here. 5 and 4 in the first row, and 3 and 2 in the second row. To add or subtract matrices, you must add or subtract corresponding entries. And you can only add or subtract matrices with the same dimensions. So what are the dimensions on this first matrix, matrix B? Well, it has 2 rows and 2 columns, so this is a 2 by 2. And this second matrix, matrix A, it has 2 rows and 2 columns, so it's a 2 by 2. The dimensions of these 2 matrices are the same, therefore we can subtract them. When we subtract matrices, we must make sure that we subtract corresponding entries. So corresponding entries, this upper left entry and this upper left entry on the second matrix, these are corresponding entries. They're both in the same position, which is row 1, column 1. So we need to make sure we set this up as 1 minus 5. Other corresponding entries are -4 and 4. 2 and 3 are in the same position, and the 3 and 2 here are in the same position. So let's set this up. This is equal to 1 minus 5 for that first entry, -4 minus 4, 2 minus 3, and 3 minus 2. When we work this out, 1 minus 5, this is equal to -4. -4 minus 4, this is equal to -8. 2 minus 3 is -1, and 3 minus 2 is 1. So this is our final answer here, and this is letter D. Thanks for watching.